Could a single whispered decision in a rain-soaked stadium alter a championship forever? The answer emerges in a forgotten 1969 playoff where a coach trusted a young quarterback and abandoned a conservative plan. The team faced a relentless downpour that gnawed at every play and a rival defense that thrived in chaos. In the fourth quarter, a clever audible pass rewrote the script, catching the defense off guard and bursting into a decisive score. The crowd erupted as the clock bled away, leaving a legacy born from a daring choice.